Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the exact GPU model and device ID because flashing the wrong BIOS bricks hardware. Once done, install GPU-Z to capture the current ROM and note driver versions. Make a full binary backup with NV Flash or ATI Flash and save 2 copies to separate media. This is your recovery lifeline. Also, disable overclocking and stop background apps to reduce risk. These steps prevent write conflicts and make the flash predictable. Now dump the BIOS binary with the appropriate utility. This is how you confirm what's currently on the card. After dumping, compute and compare checksums to ensure the read succeeded, and confirm the device ID in the ROM header matches your GPU to avoid cross-flashing. Inspect the ROM with a VBIOS editor or hex viewer to review memory timings, core/boost tables, and any vendor flags. Understanding these values explains why some firmwares behave differently under load. To finish, flash the vetted ROM with the vendor utility. You must match the device ID and BIOS header, because forced flashing risks permanent damage. Once the flash completes, reboot and reinstall GPU drivers, then verify the VBIOS version and clock behavior in GPU-Z to confirm success. If something goes wrong, black screen or no post, use the recovery procedure. Enable integrated GPU or alternate GPU, clear CMOS, and reflash from a DOS USB. This restores functionality in most cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.